Good evening to our wonderful viewers to the watchers right now. We don't carry that same Bunga program come on our way. As E Dey Hot, that political program where they're sunshine out activities that happen for Bodo Nigeria. Today we'll know what different. Now 4 solid stories now we'll get for and at least interesting story, not just solid, but very, very interesting. Stories where we say, if now here and finish at least, you go GG and to also call in and also contribute in our own quarter to the home matter. And once again, for viewers to watch us for Go TV channel 98, start channel 195, the watch us for My TV channel 17, free to channel 57, or they do DSTV, channel 259. You are on to us, E Dey Hot. And my name never change. My name remains Nkubi. And my brother Chuku, they also day here. Make you also take over. Make you know how far.
Take over to where?
Take over, introduce yourself.
Which you don't introduce me already. What I want to introduce?
Call your you don't go greet people.
What I want greet. You talk your name finish. Talk my own name. Cause say make I greet. What I want greet.
I say something to Nigerians.
Make we go straight into the discussion we carry come as you don't use your mouth. Kuku talk everything now. My name now Nkubi. My brother Chuku the day here.
Na party.
I don't ever introduce you. Call your name. Why you know?
What
why
is your
allow
problem
me to shine
now?
my shine? Why is it not my problem?
Shining your shine. This is not shine all this while. It never
Every day is a new day to shine. Yes, and I'm gonna shine when I'm gonna shine.
Shine when you want to shine. Go ahead and shine.
But we'll go straight into the discussion we don't carry come. And the first one get to do with education inside our great country, Nigeria. You get one exam when they call WASC, the West African Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination. That's the exam when we say, if you pass them, then they call them O level. Meaning say, the certificate where you go carry in a certificate when we say, once you fall down, put under your armpit, you can't pass exam when they use the enter university. Now we say your 2 leg is strong for inside the ground. Now the different exams they call them diet for English language, meaning say as they do this one, now this diet, as they do this one, now that diet. And the last diet when they do, the result when they bring come out, if you calculate the percentage of those when we say fail for that examination, for the 3rd time, it is nothing to write home about. That one means say, you know, even if we just step in and say, you know the number of people who fail for that exam, but we go talk am here because a serious problem won't go chook mouth on top. 83% out of 100%, now he no make English and mathematics. And as Nigeria education system dey, if you don't make English, if you don't make maths, now me say you don't even write the exam at all. Now me say you just better make you even they write composition or dictation for house. Say you don't go write the exam. And according to this information, when we say why don't carry come, 83% they don't make credit for both English and mathematics. As they like this now only 17%. Now many people when we say they come die exam because the remaining 83 now waste of time as then go write them again.
That one make no waste. Make give now this second story. The 3-in-1 minister. When I mean 3-in-1, the only minister we say we don't take the title of 3 very strong position. That is Ogaraji Fashola. He don't come and talk. Say look, say very very soon. Say make Nigeria just in the try reaction Nigeria. Say very soon. May I just relax. Say the issue of power. When I mean power, that is up NEPA and everything. Light over the sea. So say at least you go become a thing of the past very very soon. And why they talk this one? They talk this one for the 25th monthly power sector meeting where they hold for Akwa Ibom for Uyo. Because they talk, say look, say going by the different efforts, the different arrangement, the different that is the different strength and commitment where the government them don't do it, don't put it into the power sector. Say make Nigeria just go they relax, go they collect, go natural breeze. Say very soon. At least they go switch over from natural breeze to normal breeze like aircon or your fan. Enter when I enter inside room. Say, make them just relax. Make them relax. Say, the issue of power, very, very soon. Say, now no go even they remember, say, you get one time where we say, up NEPA, they don't take light. I say, now no go even remember such moments again. That has to do with that one.
From that story, make we talk about one when we say, hey, the National Assembly versus the executive arm of government, that is legislature versus executive. They don't prepare to put one leg inside trouser. And it get to do with the electoral amendment bill of 2018. Everybody go look, say, wait, on the 14th of February, why some girls they talk, say, give me chocolate, give me ice cream, buy me teddy bear. And some unfortunate boys, they collect singlet and boxers as Valentine gift. The National Assembly package Valentine gift, give the executive arm of government. What's with that thing? They talk, say, as 2019 election go take happen, say the National Assembly elections go come first, state houses of assembly and gubernatorial elections go come second, and presidential election go come last. Hey, they say when the executive people see them, they say, hey, this looks like a plan to put us in a tight corner.
Emmanuel, welcome back. Good evening. Emmanuel.
I can hear you, Nkubi.
Yes, continue to hear you.
Oh, okay. I want to just ask you this question before I even start. You don't join police work. This is your dressing this evening. I like Amu.
You mean me?
Yes.
No, it is not related. It is not related. This has now my outfit be this somehow.
Why you dey fear police?
Man,
Don't you love this country?
I like him there. If you dash me the cap, I go like him.
Okay. No Allah.
Okay.
I contribute.
So my contribution to the police is in our Nigeria police. They know they try at all. At all. They know they try. So even if government know they pay attention to their needs, you no go blame them. You no go blame government, because if you see waiting innocent people they see for their hand for outside, my brother, you go know say even if government they give them heaven and earth, they go see them misbehave. So now waiting and see if they like, make them they wear one khaki. Make them they do the work. More still they suffer for their hand. They go now waiting me and see with that. Thank you.
Emmanuel, thank you very, very much for this your contribution.
They encourage everybody for this country to they watch as E Dey Hot. When I don't say on top of this program, we know they hide our mouth when it reach to talk the matter. Not be say you go insult or not be say you go disrespect. Not be say you go slander or talk the one when be lie. But you go talk the truth as the matter take be. Now why me and Nkubi as today like this now, we don't sign. Say na Nigerians now we they work for. Now why would they talk the matter when we say the thing take be? Tomorrow if now hear say they don't come carry Nkubi.
Or they carry us, or they carry you.
Make I go
why go mention me first? I mean, now still that same love we get for the country, dying for the country. If they can carry me or carry you or carry the two of us simultaneously, well, I mean, we
okay, now you then go carry. Now you then go carry. Because now you go there easy for them to carry.
Why you go there easy for them to carry?
Why don't go there easy for them to carry? They go see me.
They go carry us based on height, based on.
They go carry us based on who then go fit carry.
No.
Yes. Now you then go first carry.
No.
Because if we carry you, nobody will know say they don't carry you.
Oh, they go not say that.
No, now you won't go there. Enter there.
Now you start this. Now you start this talk.
I didn't start anything.
Now you start
I didn't start anything.
In fact, the point is, carry or no carry, our commitment is to this nation.
Thank you. Is that what I'm saying?
Simple as that.
Is that what I'm saying?
No, that's what.
And our commitment, we even enter that we can die for this country.
Okay.
Uncle, why they fear? Why they fear to die for this country?
No. Look, I'm not saying I don't want to die for my country, but in the process of serving the country, at least make life stretch. Now, what's I just the talk?
Stretch to 200 years.
Well, I mean, if you have faith, say you will feel live up to 200 years. What go stop you from not living? That's just it.
So out of these 200 now, how many remain? 40.
Waiting be 40. What is that? How old am I?
No verse. If you check the NEPA story or PHCN story or Power story, they say that the 25th monthly meeting.
25th, yes.
If we go by monthly, it means say 25th month means say 2 years and 1 month. You understand? So if we do 25th monthly meeting, we make ask ourselves, say, when we do the first monthly meeting, where we did? When we do the 10th monthly meeting, where we did? When we do the 20th monthly meeting, where we did? When we do the 25th now, where we did? Because it's very easy. Just ask Nigerians, light don't improve. How you gonna know whether light don't improve? You know they spend money, say you want fuel or power your generator. You know they spend money, say make we buy rechargeable torchlight or this one or that one. NEPA go bring light, all of us go they shout. One iron 16 clothes, like say we be dry clean. Because in 2 weeks the light will not there again. So it go good, make we stop all this. I want to assure Nigerians, see, make we no lie for ourselves. The only assurance when Nigerians believe now, blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Any other assurance, now confusion.
If you not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.